Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the new internship opportunity for the 2022 batch candidates from the Amdocs company. So Amdocs is hiring for the interns, and they are hiring for the female candidates only, and 2022 batch candidates required in that BE, BTech, ME, MTech, electronics and telecommunication, computer science, information technology candidates can apply. You should have 60 percentage throughout the academics with no breaks or year down, and duration of internship will be 3 to 6 months from January to June 2022. So within like in the month of Jan you will get your joining. So they will provide you 20,000 per month of stipend. And here they have already written refer interns. That means, suppose if your friend or colleague, if your friend or relatives who is working in the Amdocs company, or you can find out the employees who are currently working in the Amdocs on the LinkedIn portal as well, you can tell them to refer you. Okay, so where they will refer you, you need to send your resume to them. Okay, so once they receive your resume, they will log into Engage website, and they will enter this job code, and they will refer you. So what is the use of this reference? That means there will be a more chances to get select in the company. So if you want reference, then you can get in touch with the those employees who are currently working in the Amdocs, your friends or relatives, or you will get the employees on the LinkedIn portal as well. So you can tell them to refer you. So this one is the good idea, so you can take the benefit of it. So they will provide you 20,000 per month of stipend, and in addition with that, you can check here. From here you need to apply, and diversity intern 2022. So to apply for this internship, you need to click here on the apply now button, and you, if you want, you can read this one. And the location of internship will be Pune, and for this regard, for due to this situation, current situation, this might be work from home only. But yeah, during your internship you will get more and more opportunities to learn. Don't think like that you got selected in the small or middle scale company. Don't think. First of all, if you, as you are in the initial phase of your career, so try to learn new technologies, new things, because it will be more and more beneficial to you in your future ahead. Okay, so in one sentence, what will be your responsibilities? Responsible for learning, assisting, supporting, and adding value to the business unit, that is BU, in the designing, development, modification, debug, and or maintenance of the software system. Then what will your job look like? You will work within a team, collaborate and add value through participation in peer code reviews, provide comments and suggestions, and work with the cross functional teams to achieve goals. You will assume technical accountability for your specific work products. You will be encouraged to actively look for the innovation, continuous improvement, and efficiency in all assigned tasks. So you need to develop the software, you need to test, debug, coding. You will go through all the software development life cycle. So you will get a chance to learn more things once you join the company. So all you need is that female candidates are eligible to apply. 2022 batch only. B BTech, ME, MTech, electronics and telecommunication, computer, IT. 60 percentage throughout academics required with no no breaks or year down. So why you will love this job? You will be challenged to learn and assist new software applications. You will have the opportunity to work in growing organization with ever growing opportunities for personal growth. So Amdocs is really a good company. So I request you, please don't miss this chance, and please apply for this internship. You will get the perks and benefits as well. Treat yourself with generous holidays gifts from the Amdocs, then access tons of complimentary learning and upskilling programs to stay on top of what is new in your field. So you will get to do the certification training programs as well. So you will get to learn, or you will get a chance to learn more things. Okay, so in during like till first 5 years, just try to learn, because in the current market nobody knows which technology will grow up. Okay, so just try to learn each and everything. Enjoy our generous paid parental leave policy, then enjoy a wide range of fun company activities for you and your family. Secure your and your family's future with life and disability insurance. Take paid time off to volunteer for the causes that you are passionate about. Explore internal mobility opportunities. Stay grounded with well-being and meditation courses. So all these things you will get. So this is a very interesting opportunity. So please apply for this internship. Please click on this apply now button to apply for this internship. And thanks for watching this video.